Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the mobilemechanic 757. You know how we get down and get straight to the point. I'm going to show you a few things. I'm replacing a alternator on this Toyota Camry. That is the OEM one that came with the car. These cars are very good quality vehicles. Looking at the battery, this battery's been here since 2018. To give you a better understanding with the car, this number right here basically says the group number, which is right here, is basically telling you what kind of battery will fit in this car. This cranking amps is how many amps you need to crank this car up, which is your alternator, and excuse me, your starter. Your starter is going to be drawing. Your cold cranking amps is right here. It's actually saying when it's cold, how many cranking amps, what it needs to be cold. This is just a better way of understanding. And also, do not go below these numbers because the car needs a certain amount of cranking amps to start this vehicle. And this size battery will fit in this car. If you get something different, it's either going to be too small, too big, and not have enough power. And also, on the new battery, if you look over here, this battery was made on 5/24/2024. And this is when this battery, so this battery has seen its life, and I always tell customers, please replace the battery when you replace an alternator. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.